It may be the cruelest irony that the most exciting science in HIV prevention in decades is coming at one of the most challenging moments in the HIV/AIDS response. Last year, we received the thrilling scientific news that injectable lenacapavir, an every 6 monthly injectable, was nearly perfect in preventing infection. Then in December, PEPFAR and the Global Fund announced an ambitious commitment, not as ambitious as we advocates wanted, but ambitious nonetheless, to scale up lenacapavir introduction in an unprecedented way to reach 2 million people within the first 3 years of introduction. And now today we have approval, the first regulatory approval from the US Food and Drug Administration. This should be a moment of celebration, and yet here we stand with the scientific achievement, with regulatory approval, with donor ambition, coming at one of the most challenging moments in the HIV/AIDS response. PEPFAR, which still exists, is now downgraded from engaging in prevention except for preventing mother-to-child transmission. And while we hope they will still provide LEN at least to pregnant and breastfeeding women, it leaves a huge gap to fill in that ambition of reaching 2 million people very quickly after launch. The Global Fund, with support from the Children's Investment Fund Foundation, has stepped up. They have made a commitment that's partway to that 2 million. But great science only has impact in people's lives if we go with speed and scale and equity in delivering on the promise. Lenacapavir is not our first opportunity at PrEP. We have seen the world squander for 13 years each and every PrEP option. And so today we stand at a moment of opportunity, but a moment of reckoning. Will we squander this opportunity too? Or will we take the unprecedented effort to work collaboratively, scientists and governments, with all of the funders, with Gilead Sciences, with their generic license holders, with civil society at the forefront, to deliver on this promise and to make sure that we exceed the PEPFAR and Global Fund target? That could happen if smart strategic collaborations win the day. And that's a choice we get to make. So today is not a day of celebration of FDA approval. It's a day of choice. Do we choose as a global community to act on the science, to act on a regulatory approval and deliver this to people who want and need it? Or do we squander another opportunity because it's just too hard to do HIV prevention? The world is watching, civil society is watching, and I hope it is a day that we look back to as one of celebrating a new way of global collaboration.